In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Word to annotate this diagram for the model of geologic time. So first off, this only will work if you've downloaded Word to your desktop. This will not work in the browser version of Word. They do not have the buttons needed to do this. So you should download Word to your desktop, or you can find another way to annotate this, maybe in Google Docs. I think you can do it there, but this video will not address that. If you cannot do that, then watch the other video on how to use the whiteboard to do this activity. So here's what you're going to do. You go and you are going to go up to Insert, and on Insert you're going to go over to your Shapes icon and click on that, and you can pick a line, right? You can pick an arrow if you'd like, but we're going to start with a line, and you can go ahead and insert that line here. Now we're going to make that line a little bit different, so we're going to go up to here where it says Shape Format, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to click on Outline of Shape, and we're going to go down to the weight, and I'm going to want this line to be a little bit weighty so I can see it. And then I'm also going to want it to be in a slightly different color. So I'm going to pick a dark blue. You could pick a red if you want. We'll go ahead and start with red just so that you can see it easily. Alright, now I have made up data up here. So this is made up data, so do not use this. Do your own calculations. And the first thing says it needs to be 80%. So as I told you in your video, you're going to go ahead and mark off, say, 80%. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put this here. Boom, that line is done. Okay, so then I can go ahead and I can copy this line and move it around, or I can put in another one. So I can just go up here, and I'm going to pick shape again. I'm going to pick the line again. Unfortunately, I do have to go ahead. If I do not copy, I have to change the width of it, or the size of it. So I'm going to make it, I made it this big, and then I'm going to keep the color like this. And I'm going to go ahead and boom, it's 15%, so that means I only have 5% somewhere there. Alright, so that's how you would use Word, the computer version, to annotate. And then again, you need to make sure you click Save so that this isn't lost. And I would again recommend uploading this to Office 365 so that it'll be saved on the cloud. Then you can just submit it to me with this filled out and with this done.